my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Still explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to remove snooze from someone on Facebook. I just want to remember you that snooze someone means that you will not see posts for this person on your new feeds for 30 days. Also, this person won't know that he has been snoozed from your side. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, tap on Facebook app icon. After that, click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till we get setting and privacy. Then tap on settings. Scroll down a little bit till we get your time on Facebook. Then press on get more from your time. Tap on news feed preferences. Then press on snooze, manage your snooze settings. Now we want to remove snooze from this person. Just press on this icon and snooze. Now we remove snooze from this person. Now we reach to the end of the video. On this video explain how to remove snooze from someone on Facebook app. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.